Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the PyGame for your VS Code. So, in order to install the PyGames for VS Code, first open your VS Code application and then move on to the terminal window. In the terminal window, simply type in the following command, which is pip install PyGame. That means we are using the pip to install the PyGame module. Once you have typed in the command, simply hit the enter button and just wait for the process to start. And here you can see that the downloading is in progress, and after the downloading you can see the message which says successfully installed pygame version 2.6.1. That means pygames has been successfully installed into our system. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.